Good morning. Poop? Uh-oh. We better clean that up. Yeah. I think you gotta put it up on the chair, honey. Up here on the chair. There. Should we go out on the balcony? Uh-huh. I'm going this way. Excuse me, Cuddles. There's our pooch. Hi, Cuddles. Hi, Cuddles. It's just us girls today while Daddy's at work, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, for now. And then we're going to go look at daycares, and Mom's got to work on getting her job established. So today's a day of establishment. Yeah, day 2 in Michigan. How's that for you?
What are you doing anyway?
What are you doing, baby? We going for a ride? Uh-huh.
I think I'll get back.
Get back. Come on, get back here. You cow. We're not going that way. What way?
It's coming up when you turn left.
What way? Tell me. What way? You're not telling me. Oh, that way? I don't want to go that way. Let's go this way. Should we turn here? Going this way. What are you doing, you nut? Whoa, boom, right in your face. I'm gonna go see what Dad's doing. You okay? Are you okay, Sweet Pea? We are making fish tacos for supper. First time I've ever had them, so I'm kind of looking forward to the experience. What kind of fish did you say this was?
Tilapia?
Oh my God, that's good. Very good. Savannah.
Basil.
It's fish. Yep, blow on it. Is it yummy?
There, I did it. The oregano makes it so much better.
Oregano?
Mm-hmm.
Gonna Italian it up.
A little bit. I think it needs a little bit more pepper though.
Mm-hmm. Very, very good. Oh, Vanna. We're gonna eat good again tonight.
This is good every.
I know.
Well, I have a reason to cook. I'm gonna do it.
Are you emailing your friends in South Dakota?
Yep. Everyone.
Are you chatting?
Hacking somebody's computer is what she's doing.
Are you hacking somebody's computer?
Alright.
Elmo. You wanna watch Elmo?
Why would you do that to Elmo?
Are you hacking Elmo's computer?
Looking at all his pictures of numbers with letters.
Deleting all his little crayons. Hey.
Alright, babe.